In the bustling town of Crescentville, where the streets were lined with colourful lanterns and the air was filled with the scent of freshly baked dates, lived a young boy named Sami. Sami was known for his curious mind and kind heart. But this Ramadan, he felt something was missing. He wanted to do something special, something that would make this holy month unforgettable. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the call to prayer echoed through the town, Sami sat on his rooftop, staring at the stars. He whispered to himself, "What can I do to make this Ramadan truly special? What gift can I give that no one else has thought of?" Just then, a shooting star streaked across the sky. Sami closed his eyes and made a wish. "I wish for a unique Ramadan gift, one that will bring joy to everyone in Crescentville." The next morning, Sami woke up with an idea that made his heart race with excitement. He ran to his best friend, Layla, who was known for her creativity and resourcefulness. "Layla, I have an idea. What if we create a Ramadan calendar, but instead of just chocolates or toys, each day reveals a kind deed or a good habit we can all do together?" Layla's eyes sparkled with excitement. "That's brilliant, Sami. We can call it the Ramadan Kindness Calendar. Each day, we can challenge everyone in Crescentville to do something kind, like helping a neighbour, sharing food, or even just smiling at someone." With Layla's help, Sami got to work. They gathered their friends, and together they created a beautiful calendar filled with colourful illustrations and thoughtful challenges. Each day had a new surprise. Day 1, share your iftar with someone new. Day 2, write a thank you note to someone who helps you. Day 3, donate clothes to those in need. And so on until the end of Ramadan. The children presented the calendar to the town's mayor, who was so impressed that he decided to share it with the entire community. Soon, the Ramadan Kindness Calendar became the talk of the town. Families gathered around it each day, excited to see what new challenge awaited them. As the days passed, something magical happened. The town of Crescentville became even more vibrant and full of life. Neighbours who had never spoken before were now sharing meals. Children were helping the elderly with their groceries. The mosque was filled with laughter and joy as people came together to pray and break their fast. On the last day of Ramadan, the entire town gathered in the square for a grand celebration. The mayor stood on the stage, holding the Ramadan Kindness Calendar. This year, thanks to Sami and his friends, we have received the most unique Ramadan gift of all, the gift of kindness. It has brought us closer together and made our community stronger. Sami felt a warm glow in his heart as he looked around at the smiling faces. He realized that the true spirit of Ramadan wasn't just about fasting or praying. It was about spreading love, kindness, and joy to everyone around you. As the moon rose high in the sky, signaling the end of Ramadan, Sami whispered a quiet thank you to the shooting star that had inspired him. He knew that the unique Ramadan gift he had wished for had come true in the most beautiful way possible. So, the most unique and valuable gifts are not material things, but acts of kindness and love that bring people together and make the world a better place. And so, the town of Crescentville continued to celebrate Ramadan with the Kindness Calendar, year after year, reminding everyone that the true essence of the holy month lies in the joy of giving and the power of unity.